promised an update, but I had a snafu. But while I'm telling you about my snafu, let me show you what I'm so happy about. What do those look like to you? You know, they sure the heck look like tomato blooms to me. And I'll tell you, I'm pretty happy because my heater went out. It went out for 3 days, and I didn't know if I could save them. But it's becoming very strong and taking off, and it's even starting to shoot out from the bottom. So I am so very pleased, and I took that light off so that I could be able to see to show you. And the cannas too are starting to, and the elephant ears are starting to come around. It's beginning to become that time of year. What I want to say quickly is I could not find a 20-inch saucer to go underneath here, and it was driving me absolutely nuts. So I went ahead and ordered a men's mud boot. It was big enough to fit these both. They're going on the floor. So the next time you see this, my garden is going to be more in this area. And of course, you know, my little Stella's plant is doing wonderfully. And I don't know if you can possibly see how well, maybe kind of, how aloe vera is doing. Anyway, let's look at the rest. I'm sorry, I have to point this out. It went on bloom cycle today because it's blooming. That pink light, I opened up my front door and I can see it on my security cameras. But if it'll give me tomatoes, I'll take it. Let's go look at the rest of the stuff. I'm gonna do my absolute best. I finally got these things on timers and I'm afraid to mess with it. But anyway, here's he's still trying to find the top of the jungle, which he'll never find. But what's really interesting is when these bloom. And they only bloom for a very short period of time, and it's fascinating. So we'll watch this continue to try to find the top of the canopy of the jungle, and good luck to you. And my Aunt Ruth's little crystal cactus is doing pretty well. I find that if you soak the pots in water, when you water them, it's better for the plants all around, and he seems to be doing pretty well. So let's go check on our peppers, because of course I have good news there too. Well, my jalapeno is so healthy and strong, you know, he's just been hanging in there and vegetating for so long, but I don't know what to think, because this purple habanero, I don't want to turn the light on because I told you it's on the timer. But look at this. Would you just look at this? I am just overwhelmed that, you know, I could have lost everything, but I didn't. And it's doing very well. My sago palm is doing very well, recovering well from, well, as we know, I cooked my crock pot too close. And he's not pink right now. And my little green onions are coming up. And, you know, they're hanging in there, but those impatiens, I'm not too sure about those. But that's the end of my video, and I wanted to get it out to you, mostly because of the tomato plant. I'm just so excited about that, and so excited about these too, that, you know, every once in a while I have an idea that works out. So I'll do another update in another couple of weeks, and I hope everyone's having a wonderful, wonderful year, and this is the end of the COVID season this year, hopefully. Be kind to one another.